Hello dear Pisces, welcome to my channel and this is your October weekly reading. This is going to be from the October 6th till the 12th and we will cover your love and career. Let's see what the cards are telling us. Your cards are already out. In your love life, you have got the 8 of Spades and the Fortune's Wheel. And in your career, you have got the 2 of Stars and the 7 of Suns. Well, I do see that you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising in your workplace. It could be a mother, friend, boss, colleague, anyone. But I do see Libra energy here. Okay. Or it could be in your own birth chart. Not necessary. Okay. I do see that in your love life, you're overthinking a lot. You think like your life is not moving forward, you're not finding the right partner, you could not be even sleeping well at night due to this overthinking, right? If you're already in relationship or marriage, you could be stressing about how things are just not working fine between the two of you. Well, with the fortune's wheel here, I do see a lot of positivity coming into your life, which means that there are also going to be a lot of endings. People, places, relationships which were not meant for you will end for you this week, and people, places, relationships meant for you will begin this week. If you have always had problem in your relationships and you were on the verge of ending it, probably it will end this week, right? A friend not working out for you, a spouse not working out for you, family relationship, things not meant for you in the longer run are not going to be there for you, right? Then the second part is new beginnings. I also see that a new chapter is beginning for you. It looks like you have ended a major karmic, difficult karmic chapter in your life, right? Where you have only met uh, difficult people, toxic people, right? Where nobody has committed to you or chosen you or given you the love and respect that you wanted. Now that difficult chapter is going to end for you this week and a new chapter is going to begin. Sorry for that. So this is a card of new beginnings. This is also a card of endings. So prepare endings and new beginnings. Whatever is coming into your life, let it come. Whatever is leaving your life, let it go. I also see that whatever has happened till now or is going to happen this week is all destined to happen. Right? I do see that destiny, karma is playing a lot of role this week, which means you will also be rewarded in a lot of way. Rewarded for your patience, for your trust, for your loyalty in relationships, right? You will be attracting a relationship, a partner, which will give you what you want. The equal amount of respect, love, whatever your exes could not give you, right? So a better relationship is definitely going to happen and a big positive change, a new chapter is going to begin this week. So I'm very excited for you guys. Quickly comment and say I claim this reading so that it can manifest faster for you. Now let's see what's happening in your career now. I do see that uh, either you have just started something recently or you're going to start something new. Okay. And probably this week things are not going to turn out the way you wanted. Maybe you were hoping for more money, more promotion, better opportunities, profit, success. And this week is not going to be the same for you. It seems like there is going to be a lot of delays, stagnation, things getting cancelled, meetings getting cancelled, loans not getting passed this week, which can lead to a lot of frustration. This week might feel like that this is a mountain that you're climbing in your career and not reaching the top, not reaching the success despite your efforts. Well, yes, this week is going to be challenging, but a delayed success doesn't mean a denied success, which means eventually you will find yourself on the top of this mountain enjoying the beautiful view, but only and only if you do not give up. You're not supposed to give up despite the challenges that you face in this current job, business, or studies that you're doing. Okay, in case you're preparing for some exam, you think you feel like giving up, don't. Because I do see that if you continue to work hard, you will find your success here. Alright, so please do not give up. This is a very important message for those who were finding it very hard to continue in their present work line, whatever they are doing right now. And yes, you could be dealing with, it could be like a female oriented thing, either female bosses, colleagues, juniors, your team members could be female, or your service industry can be female oriented as well. So do not give up, continue the effort, and by the end of this week you will find yourself very closer to success, if not almost there. So yes, It is going to be a beautiful week for you when it comes to your love life, but maybe a little challenging for your career. Nevertheless, remember this was a general reading. This may or may not resonate with you. If you would like to book your own personal reading, I take personal readings as well. I have a lot of readings, rituals, counseling sessions, and packages for career and love. So check out the description box. And if you would like to know the prices of any service, I do have a lot of services under 1000 rupees, under 500 rupees as well. So check out the description box and bio and email me at my personal email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly Instagram me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Follow and DM me on Instagram handle if you would like to know any prices or make any booking. I do have audio video call sessions also. The slots are limited, so please book in advance so that you can get a reading the same day within 24 hours. All right. Take care of yourself. I'm going to see you soon. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.